What's happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are out and about. The nephew and I. What's up, nephew?
What's up?
Well, man, so we're gonna come out, man. We just came out to get a little ride in. He's off today, and so we're going to head to where? Where are we going today?
We're going to Cycle Gear, and then we're going to Republic, and then after that, I have no clue.
Yeah, and then we're gonna head to Cycle Gear because he's new, looking for a new lid, and we're gonna see what they got there. But we're gonna go to the one in Katy. And that one's huge, man. If you ain't never been there, y'all need to check that one out. That one is massive. But yeah, that's our plan today. It's a little cloudy out.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully it's not too bad where we do see some rain. Hopefully hopefully all of this is just the humidity and all that stuff going bye-bye.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens, man. But let's get on the bike. I'm gonna run the 360 in a new little position here. So I've got it mounted right here. So we'll see how that works out. And yeah, man, so I hope y'all enjoy the ride, enjoy the views, and I really hope you enjoy the 360 footage. So we'll see you in a little bit. See. So we decided to stop here at IHOP, man, get some breakfast real quick. The dealership don't open till 9, and it is 8:45, so we got 15 minutes. So Diego said he ain't been to IHOP in forever. It's been a long time?
It's been a long time.
Oh, shit.
Probably about like maybe 5 years.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, we're about to see what he thinks, man, and then we'll get on the bike. The dealership's just a couple buildings over, man, so we're right next to it, so it worked out pretty good. But and then from here, like I said, we're gonna go to Cycle Gear, go check out some helmets, and then yeah, that's it. See what happens after that, man. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. There we go.
I'll think about it.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Steak, what'd you get?
I got the big steak.
Omelet.
Big steak omelet.
And I just got biscuits and gravy with eggs and sausage and bacon, man. So we're about to get into it. Let's get it. All right, Kim Funk, we made it to the dealership, and for some reason, Diego earlier in the video said it was San Jack, but we're not at San Jack. We're at Republic. I told you it was Republic.
Can we rewind the clip?
But yeah, so we're gonna go here and check it out, man, and see what they got. Hang out for a little bit, and then head over to the old Cycle Gear, man. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. See ya. So sick, man. I love to ride that thing. Well, Kinfolk, I think we're in trouble, D. Huh? So it's pretty cool, man. They're gonna take us on a test ride. I'm gonna test ride the Pan America. D's actually gonna test ride Lowrider ST.
Lowrider ST.
That's already got a Sawiki speed exhaust on it. It's got a Saddleman seat. It's got T-bars on it. It's a 24, but nobody's ever owned it, he said.
That's what he said.
So you probably get a pretty damn good deal on that thing, man.
I think so.
And he said to pick another bike that the guy that's going with us can ride, and then we can swap. But I don't know, what do you think? You don't want like a soft tail to ride after, or what?
You can't really go wrong if you love riding.
Yeah, for sure.
So
I think maybe a soft tail.
I think so.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. You like that street bomb?
For me, it's too naked. I guess.
Yeah.
Need a little bit of fun.
Right. So maybe we'll have him pull out a soft tail. So we'll see, man. All right. Let's go in and see what happens.
As far as new models, starting at 24 and up, 24 years and up, most of our bikes have ride modes now. So this Pan America 1250 is gonna pack nearly 150 horses. But if you wanna play with your ride modes, that's the new features that come with these new models. Everybody loves them. So right now, we are in road mode. That's your everyday basic necessities for your everyday riding on the road. But let's say that 18-wheeler is being stubborn, he won't let you pass or whatever, and you need a couple extra horses, a little bit more power to get the job done and get past him. You can do that without having to shift gears with just the touch of a button. So I hit this ride mode button and I shoot it over to sport mode. That's gonna give you those extra horses and that extra torque that you need to get the job done. And Houston's a little unexpected, unpredictable as far as weather goes. And new riders love this feature as well, because in rain mode, you can ride more safely with less throttle response, more traction control, more safety features. That's gonna be good when the weather's a little sketchy, or new riders who just wanna get more comfortable and more familiar with their bike safely before they get a little crazy.
Nice.
All right, and you can customize your own mode based off of any of those stock modes. So if you like to go fast and you wanna go even faster, you can customize it based off of sport mode or rain mode, etc., etc. So feel free to play with those functions as well. Already, you're good to go. Oh, look at that suspension.
Damn.
Oh yeah. So, like a freaking pogo stick.
Yeah.
Blast off. Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah. D's gonna be riding this thing.
Lowrider ST is a game changer. It's a head turner. It's a showstopper. All right, we got the T-bar set up, so it's got a bit extra flair, extra character on this one. So we got the T-bar set up on the Lowrider ST, Roxford Fosgate compatible, Saddleman seat, great for your lower back. And when you hit that throttle, you're gonna have a sense of security right there behind you, without that beautiful passenger rider behind you. It's almost like you got somebody there. All right. These saddlebags are great because they give you the option to attach or detach. So you can still have that real sleek cruiser-like look if you want to take the saddlebags off, or if you need that extra luggage and that cargo space, you can pop them back on there. 2-in-1 Sawiki pipes, very aggressive. Don't sleep on those, all right? Be careful, have fun. I'll be on the Heritage.
Right on.
My name's Colton, Republic Harley-Davidson. Have any questions?
No, sir. You got any questions?
Nope.
All right, Mr. Colston, appreciate it, sir.
Some rubber,
Let's
baby.
get it. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Let's go. All right, Kinfolk. Here we go. Man, I actually think I just felt the suspension drop. I think. Oh, my fat ass, huh? All right, we're gonna check it out, man. See how it goes. Let's do it. Make sure I don't hit the screen. Gonna do a good all-around bike, man. Heritage, you can't ever go wrong with that bike. Just fucking comfy. That thing there is a rider, dude.
You like that?
Yeah, that thing's a rider for sure.
That's my boy right there.
That thing, little different seat, man, but other than that, that thing's fucking, it's smooth as shit. Like it, like
You
it.
look good on this?
Dude, he looks really
I feel-
good.
My upper half feels amazing.
Yeah.
Lower half, foot control area,
Yeah.
it's not really hitting the spot. I am gonna say that I do need to push these out.
Forward controls,
I
yeah.
need forward controls.
Yeah.
For sure.
But, dude, you look fucking good on that thing. She got some juice to her?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Alright.
On the G spot?
Hell yeah. All right, Kinfolk, that's it, man. We're leaving Republic. Hey, man, listen, y'all come check out Republic, man. They're good people here. Colton, Doug, and Mr. Mick, man, they all took their time out of their day to help us and just kind of give us the experience to be able to let Diego ride that lowrider ST, man, which he hasn't ever test rode one. So that was really cool. So y'all come check them out, man. Republic, Harley-Davidson, and let them know Diego sent you, eh?
Yeah.
Tell them you sent them over here, and talk to them cats over there.
Yeah. Well, not only me, but don't forget to say Knuckles TV.
Yeah.
Don't forget to say it. If you forget to say it, you might not be able to get a good deal.
God dang. All right, man. Hey, so y'all come check them out, man. And until next time, we're gonna head to the house. Until next time, much love, much respect.
Knuckles out.
See ya.